The city of Baltimore, Maryland is a hub of economic activity, social diversity, and artistic expression. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the population was estimated to be 600,000 as of 2018. This makes it the largest city in the state. The area was first settled in 1661 with the establishment of the Port of Baltimore, known as the Inner Harbor, which is located where the Patapsco River empties into the Chesapeake Bay. The easy access to water routes made it a major center for shipping and manufacturing. The city of Baltimore was officially established in 1729 and grew to become the largest city in the mid-Atlantic between Philadelphia and Charleston. The rise of industrialization contributed to the high levels of diversity as many immigrants arrived to work in the steel industry and the shipyards. Furthermore, many African American workers came to the city after it overturned Jim Crow laws. According to the World Population Review, the city is now made up of 62% Black or African American residents. The Baltimore Office of Sustainability is responsible for preparing the city for aging infrastructure, a growing population, climate change, and a progressing economy. They focus on improving the quality of life while balancing the need for economic growth, environmental protection, and societal progress. The city's first sustainability plan was created in 2009, and according to the Office of Sustainability, had 93% of its goals advanced or completed. Growing climate change threats, along with socioeconomic and public health challenges, create a need for updated solutions. Baltimore 2019 Sustainability Plan is the result of a public engagement process to better plan for how to become a more sustainable and equitable city. It uses framework based on STAR community rating system, the first comprehensive structure for measuring and assessing the sustainability of communities at the local scale. This is the basis for sustainable efforts that will also incorporate resident feedback. Baltimore is also part of the USA's Sustainable Cities Initiative, which was selected to pilot a program on localizing sustainable development goals set by the United Nations Global Challenge Vision. The Commission of Sustainability will compile annual reports and release them each year at a Sustainability Open House. These will serve as check-ins to make sure the planned timeline is being followed and that community member involvement is being supported. Feedback from city residents will be used to update the plan strategies and set new benchmarks every 3 years. The City of Baltimore has begun to plan and implement many economic sustainability initiatives as well as several social initiatives. The City of Baltimore has been working very hard in creating a sustainability plan that will benefit the citizens of the city and bring the community together at large. The economy is the stimulant that brings some new residents to the city as well as retains the city's existing citizens. A record high unemployment rate has been steadily declining, and the city continues to see entrepreneurs and small businesses being opened and operating within the city limits. One of the newest economic initiatives that has really caught fire is the Made in Baltimore initiative that promotes products and services that are made in the city. Additionally, the city is attempting to provide support services to growing businesses and start new ones, though the help of marketing, rental assistance, and even consulting. Baltimore is attempting to bring back manufacturing to the city and has been implementing plans to increase export and import and manufacturing of goods within the city. As for the social initiatives, it is very impressive to see what the city of Baltimore has come up with. For a long time, the city has been divided, whether it be race, wealth, or location. The initiative to bring together residents of Baltimore and promote strong connections between neighborhoods and increasing discussion and interactions with residents. This is being attempted through the help of neighborhood leaders and community members' help. Another social initiative that is being worked on right now is the city's attempt to increase the amount of safety in indoor and outdoor public places. Through this is the building of public parks and recreation centers. This is helping to bring residents of the city closer and allowing for safe interactions. The city of Baltimore is working very hard to create and implement these initiatives. It is now possible to see the fruits of the city's labor. One of the environmental initiatives in the Baltimore Sustainability Plan is to divert trash that will go to a landfill or incinerator to recycling facilities. Free recycling bins will be provided for all Baltimore residents. Commercial recycling will be increased, and a continuous deep engagement on what can be recycled and what will be organized. In addition, the city will launch an anti-litter, pro-recycling campaign that ensures racially and ethnically diverse materials are provided. Additional support and infrastructure will be given to communities that are most impacted by trash and litter. The Sustainability Plan also aims to create a greener school environment. Right-sized food ordering, maximize food recovery, and composting food will help schools reduce waste. For recycling, schools will increase electronics, light bulb and construction waste recycling. Paper will be minimized through implementing the use of more electronic communication systems. The school system fleets of vehicles will be trimmed of excess waste. All vehicles will have to meet emission and fuel efficiency standards, and alternative fuel sources will be explored with the goal of moving towards zero emissions. Finally, new construction and renovations of schools will follow green design and construction practices to promote net zero energy buildings. Baltimore plans to create easier access to fresh, healthy, and culturally appropriate food for its residents. City-owned land that is used for farming will be protected and supported to incentivize an increased availability of locally grown food. Places such as farmers markets and farm stands will be created or expanded to provide residents with a simple method to shop and support local farms. Another great initiative from the Sustainability Plan is the goal to make buildings more energy and water efficient. Financing will be given to large building owners to upgrade energy and water efficiency of their buildings, in addition to renewable energy upgrades. To lower overall utility costs of affordable housing units, outreach to the landlords will be issued to inform them about the benefits and cost reductions of efficiency upgrades. Residents will be given energy and water rebate opportunities and will also be provided with information about incentives and behavioral change techniques. With these new pro-environmental practices in place, Baltimore will become a cheaper, more efficient, and overall cleaner and more appealing city to live in. Lastly, it is important to look at what is missing from Baltimore's 2019 Sustainability Plan that could add further improvements to the area. The first thing that could be added to the Sustainability Plan would be the implementation of street smart poles. Philips, a prominent energy company, is spearheading this project that offers new advances in lighting throughout cities. According to Philips, these new poles are LED lighted mechanisms that have built-in sensors, can be remotely managed, and have mobile networks built into their frame. Also, according to Philips, smart pole technology helps cities save up to 70% on energy costs by switching to LED, which is a huge step forward in sustainable energy. On top of being energy efficient, these poles are easy to install and have low maintenance costs due to their ability to access them remotely. With this new lighting system, Baltimore would have the ability to not only increase connectivity of its city and reduce costs, but it would be able to measure things such as air quality, monitor foot traffic, and improve the safety of its civilians. The second thing that needs to be added to Baltimore's 2019 Sustainability Plan is increased technology in its water systems. This technology involves sensors and leak detection tools that offer less breaks in water pipes, according to Burst. There are 236,600 water line breaks each year in the U.S., costing public water utilities approximately $2.8 billion annually. And Baltimore is included in this problem. These sensors and detection tools help water companies to find leaks and potential leaks more efficiently. This can not only help companies, but citizens save money on potential disastrous water leaks. There are many new technologies that are not included in Baltimore's 2019 Sustainability Plan. It is important to not only look at old proven methods, but to incorporate new technologies to make those methods even better. With the addition of new technology, Baltimore has an even greater chance of becoming successful in their hopes of becoming a more sustainable city.